Welcome to another technical analysis, and today we are taking a look at Cardano coin. Now basically, since previous times we've been looking for, we were trading above the EMAs, and recently when the markets crashed completely during this weekend, we had a quick liquidity grab. Then let's go to the hourly time frame to give a better perspective. Then we had, where's the eraser demonstration? So then we had this kind of consolidation or like accumulation area forming here. After that we had, I will take the cross again. Then we had another dip, and then price slowly went steadily below the liquidity area here. And right now we are seeing the market structure break. Now usually when we have the price forming similar kind of movement, then consolidation price either retests this area here and then bounces, which would then give us an opportunity to enter into a position from this region here, or if it breaks, then it usually sets for yet another support area, which would be in this case like this zone here, for example, this zone here, and also this region here. So right now we had a quick liquidity dip, so let's check how many percentage wise the movement was. 2% overall, not that much. But anyways, the game plan on this coin remains pretty simple, as we have had so far pretty decent market structure break at the end of the Friday, which means that we might retest this zone, then go for another like dip here, which would form a bearish, sorry, not bearish, the bullish CME gap, and then we would just trade in between this area. Overall, the game plan for the Cardano coin is very simple. We want to see a break of this region here, which then would open for us a position, an opportunity, not position, to take a long position towards this region here. So let's set it here. Stop loss pretty tight, so 1 to 3 risk and reward ratio trading setup. And right now we also are seeing a decent breakout happening, so it's not confirmed yet. We'll go to the smaller time frames, but there is a chance to take pretty decent trade here, so going to leave it here. Going to set this one here. So what I would do in this case, because the risk and reward ratio is not that great off, I would open a smaller position here on the current market price. If price retests this broken zone, then would top up, for example, here 1%, here 1%, then drag down in the middle of this area here, and from here already trade with stop loss being pretty tight near this region here. So at the end, or at the opening price of this bullish candle basically. So but if we take a look on the daily time frame, we see that price is still pretty bullish. The EMAs have been working pretty well. The only thing that might concern is the crossover that we might have happen, like might have seen, or might, how do I say this in English, what we might get. But as long as we don't have this crossover and price stays above the EMAs, I think we are pretty good for yet another bounce towards this region and potentially go for new time highs, so in this region and this region as well. So once again, pretty bullish on the Cardano coin. Anyways, that's it for today. Once again, if you like this video, feel free to like and leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.